Thank you, Alex. Well, in this week's Madeline Motivates, a local doctor doesn't just write prescriptions, she takes time to connect with her patients. Dr. Jessica Schneider, CEO and founder of Empowered Health, was nominated for Madeline Motivates for her efforts to empower her patients toward better health.
It's our mission. It's to empower people and enrich lives.
What would the world be like if we all took the time to make a difference?
Listen to your heart.
Here at Empowered Health, Dr. Jessica Schneider aims to do that every single day.
I see that we're making a difference. People walk in here and at their repeat annual physical the next year, they've improved.
It starts with setting aside time for her patients.
To me, it's freedom to be able to work with patients in a capacity that actually is meaningful and makes a difference for their health and their long-term outcomes.
While many doctors' offices have you in and out in under 15 minutes, Dr. Schneider could spend up to an hour and a half with her patients at a time.
Hi, John. I'm Dr. Schneider. Go ahead and come back with me.
She sits down with them one-on-one to create a personal action plan.
Asa, tell me a little bit about what sort of movement you're getting right now.
Empowering them with the knowledge and tools they need to make educated decisions about their health.
It's holistic, it's individualized, it's precise.
It's all about empowerment.
It's the best thing I've ever done in my life is starting Empowered Health.
Physical and mental healing are part of her prescription.
It's a blessing. It's a gift. It's the reason that I went into medicine, was to be there for people when they're hurting and when they're scared.
Dr. Schneider takes time out of her schedule to make each one of them feel heard.
It is truly not uncommon for patients to cry the first time that they meet me because they're unloading so much and they're finally being heard and listened to. And it's a really special thing as a medical doctor to be confided in so many ways.
She learned from experience.
I myself had an experience when I was in high school, and I got appendicitis, but we didn't know it was that at the time, and ended up in emergency surgery at 1 o'clock in the morning as a 17-year-old thinking I was going to die. And it was truly the compassion that my doctor showed that made everything okay. And I wanted to be able to provide that for patients as well.
And now, she's one of many local motivators.
This community is powerful. Where we live, there are so many amazing leaders
who take the time to empower others in the place we call home.
I don't know how I got here and got to be part of that, and for people to be seeing me is inspiring, but I feel very fortunate.
Oh, such a beautiful story. When I sat down with Dr. Schneider, I could truly see in her eyes how passionate she is about her profession. She is one of many incredible motivators right here in our hometown. So my question for you is, do you know someone in our community who motivates you? Someone who inspires you to be a better person every day? I would love to share that person's story. Just send me their name and why they motivate you at the email at the bottom of your screen here. That's motivation@kndu.com.